This is a weather update. A severe blizzard is forecast to arrive tomorrow evening. Expect heavy snow, temperatures dropping below -40 degrees Celsius, and wind is up to 15 miles per hour. Residents are advised to prepare homes and stay indoors once the storm begins.
Did you hear that? Tomorrow night we'll be hit hard. We need to get the house ready now.
-40? That sounds really cold.
I don't want the snow to break our house.
It's okay. We'll prepare tonight so we're safe tomorrow. Caillou, help us cover the windows. We'll need blankets, candles, and extra food.
But the storm isn't even here yet.
If we wait, it'll be too late. Help now, or you're grounded. Alright. Caillou, once we finish this, you'll head to bed too.
Caillou, Rosie, it's bedtime. Tomorrow will be a big day, and you need rest.
Okay.
Generator tested. Smart antenna locked in. Radio station live. We'll be ready when the blizzard hits tomorrow.
Daddy, the storm sounds scary.
Don't worry, the generator is running, and the antenna is active. We'll have power no matter what.
Can we watch a movie now?
Yes, Caillou. It will help us forget the storm for a while.
I feel safe now.
That's because we work together. This is how families get through tough times.
Oh my god, this movie is very funny.
I guess helping wasn't so bad.
It's too freezing out there. Better stay inside.
Look, the blizzard is over. We made it.
We survived the blizzard.
And we watched a movie too.
That's right, we stayed strong, and now the storm is behind us.